Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing I call it a roll-off dip. It's a reverse dip with a roll. And it's really an abstract. Usually it comes out as a landscape. Tonight I'm not really sure what it's going to come out as. I just want to do a couple of different colors, put the plastic on and roll it off, and we'll see how it looks. I've got a 10 by 20 canvas in front of me with the white acrylic already poured on. So I'm just going to start putting colors on. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. It would be very much appreciated. And of course, all my regulars that keep coming back, watching and commenting and liking my videos, thank you so much. You know I very much appreciate it. And all the colors that I'm using, all the tools that I use, 90% of the stuff I bought from Amazon, like my little butane torch, my paint bottles, my stir sticks, my cups, everything. And there'll be links in the details of this video. If you decide you want to check out some paints, order something from Amazon. I do have a little bit of a commission I get off of any sales that I do, and it goes towards a gift card for me to be able to buy more product. So that's it. There's my big spiel. Let's get rolling here. I am going to do some pink. everybody. I was so going to give up on this painting, but I persisted, kept adding a little bit of paint. You'll see in the video coming up that it's got music and probably a little bit fast forward because I was ready to give up on this painting. But I just added some more landscape effect to it, mountains. You probably can't really see it very well. It's not really mountains, it's more like rocky cliffs. And in here there's like little tunnels and a little waterfall happening. I probably can't get it close enough to the camera for you to see, but I'm so glad I didn't give up on this because it really did turn out quite nice. It's dry now and I'm loving it. So just goes to show you, never give up on your paintings and always post your videos, even if you have bloopers and even if you're not quite sure you like your painting. Keep going. Masterpieces will be created. Alright, thanks everyone.